For Sunday the 16th of December, this is Force 13th AU channel. Severe weather warning remains in place for heavy rainfall, damaging winds for the following areas: the North Tropical Coast, Tablelands, Herbert, Lower Burdekin, the Central Coast, Whitsundays, Capricornia, parts of the Northern Goldfields, Upper Flinders, Central Highland Coalfields, and including Wide Bay, Burnett. So the warning area is actually extended. Ex-tropical cyclone Owen has moved off the North Tropical Coast at 4 a.m. lies about 80 kilometres southeast of Innisfail. It's forecast to move south eastward. And will likely lie off the central coast by early Monday morning. A broad upper level trough will move east over the state on Sunday, eventually shifting offshore into the Coral Sea later on Monday. Heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding occurring in the northern Herbert and Lower Burdekin districts. This heavy rain is expected to extend south into central Queensland today as far as Bundaberg overnight tonight. Scattered 6-hourly rainfall totals between 1 to 200 millimetres are likely, with isolated higher falls locations which may be impacted. Ingham, Townsville, Palm Island, Charterville, Charters Towers, Bowen, Proserpine, Mackay, Claremont, Wockhampton, Gladstone, Bellarina and Bundaberg. Currently the heaviest rain is occurring over the Herbert, Lower Burdekin district. Halifax, east of Ingham, has recorded 300 millimetres in 6 hours to 5 a.m. and a staggering 623 millimetres since 9 a.m. Saturday. However, damaging wind gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour possible in coastal areas north of about Bowen as the tropical low moves south. 100 kilometre an hour wind gust was recorded at Lucinda at 3:30 a.m. today. The tropical low will most likely lie offshore from the Mackay coast on Monday. And here's something that I saw in the Bureau's last advisory on Owen before shifting slowly north again during Tuesday and Wednesday. At this stage, the low is not expected to redevelop into a tropical cyclone. I'm going to put a question mark beside that. The situation will be monitored by the Bureau, and the Bureau's Brisbane Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre will start to issue the cyclone advisories if necessary. The next severe weather warning will be updated by the Bureau at 11 a.m. today. Now, currently on the screen is a look at storm probability. This is 3-hourly images, BSCH website. It's a GFS model, and from 3 a.m. through to 10 a.m. Correction again, 4 a.m. today through to 10 a.m. tomorrow. Now we have a look at the instability. Biometeorology here in Queensland. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in place for heavy rainfall, damaging winds. The North Tropical Coast, the Tableland, Herbert, Lower Burdekin forecast districts. Extreme rainfall recorded east of Ingham. Rain continuing in the area. Damaging winds also being reported. Strong wind warning, Townsville Coast, Capricornia. BI has cancelled the one for the Cairns Coast. And shortly precipitation. The information's at the bottom of the screen. The New South Wales office has a strong wind warning for the Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Bateman's case. They've cancelled the one for the Eden case. They'll have a similar one in place for Monday, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney and Illawarra case. Bureau Meteorology Victoria, cancellation, severe thunderstorm warning for the central and west South Gippsland forecast districts. The Melbourne area, Port Phillip waters, Western Port, inner east Mornington Peninsula, inner southeast northern, outer east western Geelong, Bellarine Peninsula, local warning areas. Flood watch remains in place for the greater Melbourne, parts of the west, south Gippsland, Goulburn and south west Victoria. And whilst this severe weather continues and is developing, now we have a look at a rainfall 3-hourly image. It's 4 p.m. this afternoon, and this follows on to perhaps record-breaking rainfall. And Bureau Meteorology here in Queensland is issuing a severe thunderstorm warning for the southeast coast, parts of the Ryde Bay, Burnett, the Darling Downs, the Granite Belt district. It was issued just before 6:30 this morning. Severe thunderstorms likely to produce heavy rainfall, may lead to flash flooding in the warning area over the next several hours. These areas include the Gold Coast, the Brisbane region, Maroochydore, Gympie, Ipswich, Coolangatta, Caboolture, Cleveland, Gatton, Jimboomba, Rainbow Beach and Redcliffe. Rainfall totals have eased in the North Tropical Coast, Tablelands, the Herbert, Lower Burdekin, and the warning has been cancelled. Severe weather warning remains in place for heavy rainfall, damaging winds, coastal adjacent districts from the North Tropical Coast to the northern Ryde Bay and Burnett district. Pomona in the Sunshine Hinterland, 64 millimetres during the last hour of the report. Now we have a look at the Brisbane radar from earlier this morning. Minor flood warning is in place for the Herbert River, the Bohle River. Initial flood warning for the lower Diamantina River. No warnings for the state of Northern Territory, ACT, a flood watch for the north, northeast, northwest, east coast, the Phoenix Islands. Cancellation severe weather warning for the King Island, Western Upper Derwent Valley, the southeast, northeast, east coast, northwest coast, central north, central plateau, Midlands forecast district. Road weather alert for Tasmania for the northwest coast, northeast, western, central plateau, the Midlands, east coast, upper Derwent Valley and the southeast forecast districts. Strong wind warning east of the Flinders Island, upper east, lower east, southeast coast. Bureau in Tasmania has cancelled a one for the southwest coast. And a minor flood warning in Victoria, the Bunyip, the river, the Kiowa and advocate with us. Force 13 will continue to bring the latest update, and please continue to monitor.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.